Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports Touch ID and is updated. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, make sure Face ID is off for this flow and prepare a clean, dry finger. Now open Settings, then tap Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. You're starting enrollment right away. This is faster than troubleshooting later. Follow prompts until the device displays the on-screen circle, because that guides the finger placement, steps you will complete next. You will now add a fingerprint. Place the finger lightly on the sensor, lift and rest repeatedly. Don't press hard, because the sensor reads surface touch. Once the circle fills partially, rotate your finger to capture edges and different angles. This improves reliability when you unlock in varied grips. If the setup asks for additional scans, like adjust your grip or a second finger, do them now. Make sure progress indicators reach 100% before moving on. That confirms a full, usable fingerprint template. Once enrollment completes, enable Touch ID options you want, unlock, App Store, or Apple Pay, so your device knows where to use the fingerprint data. Test unlocking immediately. If recognition fails, re-enroll the same finger or add an alternate finger to increase success. If problems persist, clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth, remove any case or screen protector that covers the sensor, and restart the device. If all else fails, delete the fingerprint and repeat enrollment. This fixes most capture errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.